good morning, good morning. Alright, it's very early in the morning. Monday morning, to be exact, and a lot of things has happened recently. But I got a new design team package from Shelly Geigel, GNS Hobbies and Crafts, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So check it out. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so what's inside my design team package from GS Hobbies and Crafts? First of all, the score tape. The 3/8 inch and the 1/4 inch. Love this score tape. And it's premium double-sided, adhesive, acid-free, heat resistant. Absolutely stunning score tape. Double-sided adhesive tape. Love to use it. I normally do not use it because it's hard to get in Holland, but I love it. Alright, so that's the score tape. Then we have beautiful flowers, and if you go to the website, then I think you can find these with H060 and with H038. So I have very little tiny yellow roses, and I have very nice white paper roses. So guess what paper comes with it? It's perfect. Alright, so the next item, alright, so the next thing we have magnets, and never use these, so I am so curious how these work and how, of course, how they work, well, exactly as normal magnets, but I never use these. So these are from Basic Grey, 12 inside, very large, and I am just curious how strong they are, because I see so many people use these, but I am so curious. I'm very happy that I can finally see how these work. Alright, then I have some bling, and I'm gonna unwrap this because I want to show you how this looks. Okay, first of all, this is from Darius. That's the brand, I think. It's Bling on a Roll. And Bling on a Roll. And there is 10 yards. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot of bling. Okay, I'm gonna take this out so I can show you better. Oh, wow. Oh, there is a little paper clip on here. That's really good. Okay, how do they get this on here? Oh, here it is. Oh, good heaven. That's a tricky one. Oh, I can unleash it. Oh wow, this feels so light. Oh, I like this. I do have these also in my stash. And I absolutely love these because these are so nice and light and not heavy or bulky, and they are nice and flat, and you can nothing mess with this one. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, 10 yards. Ooh, I think we need a lot of bling on this project. So cool. Alright, so then we have some other cool stuff with it. I always say that Shelly has so good taste in sorting things out for a design team project. So this is a nice pearl string. Look how cute that is. Absolutely amazing. And then we have the delicate flower. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, this looks amazing. Oh wow, I love it. Oh, that's so cool. That's the delicate flower. Cool. And then the doily galloon. Can imagine how much work it is to wrap these all out, but oh wow. Oh, that's so cool. A nice thick one. Well, it's not thick, it's very thin quality, but a nice size. Oh, cool, cool, cool. Alright, so that is for the lace and pearls. Alright, let's put this aside. Then what we have is two, oh my gosh, Shelly, you spoil me. 2 AK tools, and they are edge punches. And this one is this piece right here. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but well, wait, I'm gonna unwrap it. Let me unwrap it. That's need to. Oh wow, I love these. This has a lock, so now they are open, and now you can use them. I love this one. So delicate, so easy to use. Perfect. Absolutely amazing. I don't know if it's called a name, edge punch or anything, but I bet if you go to the website you can find it. It's so cool. And then we have another one, and this one has, oh my goodness, here you have an example how it looks when you use it. See how cute that is? Oh wow. Alright, so this is how it looks. So this is the back. So cool. And this is the front. They are so nice to use. I love punches. Good heaven. Oh cool. She spoils me so much. Oh, so that are the punches. Then I got 2 pieces of black chipboard, very heavy duty. I think 1.5 millimeters. I think. So that's we're gonna use. And she sent me white AC cardstock, smooth, and 25 pieces in here. I think it's from American Crafts. So that's white cardstock. I don't know how many grams it is. Oh, it's I can't find the weight of it, but no, I can't find it. But it's a very nice quality, I can tell you that. So please check the website. So now we come to the papers. Ooh, okay. Alright. What? We got Mintay! Yeah, 2 package. Because yeah, you know, when you are making an album you need papers. And these are, I believe, 12 papers inside. So I got 2, that's 24 pages. The Mintay Marry Me. Oh wow, a wedding album. Yay! Oh, it's so cool. I did not peep inside. So I'm very excited to show you how the papers are looking like, and it's the first time for me too. I only see this on the front and I'm very excited already. So I'm gonna unwrap this and I'm gonna show you. Okay, let me unwrap this. Okay guys, here we go. Alright, so the front and the back. Oh, the back we can cut out. That's awesome. Love it. I love the colors. And you see now that these yellow are perfect. The flowers and the white. Oh wow, I love this. I love the color combination. Alright, so let me put this right next to me. Alright, and the next page is a busy one, but oh, I love the images. Wow, Mrs. and Mr. just married. Love that. You can use any kind of cutting this paper. So I love it. Okay. Then we go to the back and this, oh wow. Oh, this is very fancy. Oh, I love this image. Look at this image. Can I zoom in? Nice smutsy. Oh wow, with grey and black. Love it. Okay. Hey, this is the same image, isn't it? Yeah, it's the same one. Alright. And the back is also the same. Okay, does that say? Alright, let me check that. 12 double-sided printed sheets. One bonus sheet. Okay. Alright, so we have two the same ones. That's cool. Each time, yes, each time. Oh, that's perfect, so you don't have to choose. So you have one side and the other side, so you can choose. Just married. Look at this frame on the back. Oh wow, love it. Can you imagine this on the front of your cover? Ooh, wow. Okay, definitely think I'm gonna use that. And then on the back of this page, oh, we have nice leathery backgrounds. Very delicate, so you can use this on anything. Love it. Alright, next one. Oh, but this one would also look very, very nice. So you don't have to do anything. Perhaps a little flowers on the top, and then you are done. How easy is that? Mrs. and Mrs. Cool. Oh, wow, stripes. Okay, you know I like stripes. Oh my goodness, love it. It's very cool with the gray and black, and then with these nice pastel color tints. I absolutely love it. It's awesome, awesome. Okay, so I love it. Okay, it's nice. It's salmon, pink and white and yellow and gray. Who does not like that combination? It's awesome. Oh yes, give me some sparkles and pink. Love it. Oh my goodness, I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Very, very delicate, very good for backgrounds, or for putting your photo in, or for borders or strips. Awesome. Okay. Oh wow. Love it. Love that beige and that salmon. Oh wow. I can't wait to start with this, guys. I just can't wait. Okay, and then we have tags. All kind of tags that we can put in the album. We can use that. What's on the back? Oh, nice. So you can use these as frames, and they can put the photos behind it. That is nice. That is nice. And if you cut this out, then I think you still have a nice image. Aha, cool. I love it. Alright, so that is, so I have two. That is that. So of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this one is the bonus. That is cool. So we have 12 papers, each 2. So actually we have 6 designs. No, but it's double-sided. So that's awesome. So you don't have to choose. That I love. Love, 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 love. So cool. I never worked with Mintay earlier. I do have one collection in my stash, but I got not the chance to work with that. Too busy. So it's my first time using Mintay, and I can say I love the quality. Very smooth papers. It's 240 gram, and wow, I am very, very impressed with the quality. So cool. Alright, so that is for my this is what Shelly sent me for the design team project, new guest design team project. So what do you think? Can I do something nice with all of these nice items? I think I can. I can't wait to start. I can't wait to start. Oh my goodness. Punches. All kind of good stuff. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please visit the website of GNS Hobbies and Crafts, where you can find all these items. And if you'd like to join me, then check it out and grab your items and join me. Alright, you know I always have a follow along video, and this time it's going to be a little different, but I'm gonna tell you in just a sec. Okay, update. What's happening? Normally I do projects a while back, and then when the time is there, I'm gonna upload on YouTube. My last project is the kit, the Lavender Hills, and it's Monday morning, and at this time I have 2 tutorials left to put online. Then after that, and I have not sit still, I have definitely not, but I have 2 custom made albums, and one is ready and the second one is not ready yet. I am still working on that, but I can't put that online, of course, without the customer having the albums yet. So that is a problem. So I don't have any videos next Friday, well, this whole. But then I'm out, because I can't make that custom-made album finish, and then I don't have anything to put online. So I'm gonna work on this one this week, but I am not a fast crafter. I take my time for it, and even with the quarantine time, I have more time for that, but still I am a slow crafter. I take my time for it. I am very precise, and I just love taking my time for that. So I'm a little stressed because I have no videos, not complete videos, for you guys next week. So I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna see how far I get, but if I'm not ready, I'm just going to make a reverse. Normally you will see first the walkthrough and then all the tutorials. But if I am not ready, then I'm gonna upload just to begin with the tutorials, and then you get at the end the walkthrough. Is that an idea? It's the only thing that I came up with, otherwise I do not have any videos. So it's a little awkward, but that is how it is. And soon as the custom has her albums, because she ordered 2, then I can put, then I have 2 big projects for you guys. So then I have plenty of time. Then I'm back in track, as I can say that. So that's a little awkward for me, because, oh god, I can't put this online because I'm still working on my custom made albums. And alright, so that is my update. So I hope you don't mind, and fingers crossed that this is going to be a very nice project. I can promise you that. So it's going to be, or a follow along, and then at the end you will see how it is. And I think it will come up with that, because I can't make a project in 1 week. That's, I can try, but I'm not gonna do, because I want to take my time for it. Alright, so bye bye. Thank you so much. Don't forget, visit GNS Hobbies and Crafts. Thank you, Shelly, so much for your nice design team project. It's amazing. Thank you. Love you. Bye bye. Stay safe.